Good evening everyone. So I am Althea Lorraine Belaro from Batch 4. So yung topic po natin today in August 29, naranasan mo na ba yung matinding baha or sacrifice? Ang scripture po natin today ay matatagpuan sa Hebrews 10 verse 12. So basahin po muna natin yung concept ng sacrifice. So sacrifice in the Christian faith refers supremely to Christ's death on the cross, where he paid the penalty of our sin deserved. This was not a symbolic gesture, but a real substitutionary atonement. Jesus bore with the wrath of God in our place, satisfying divine justice and making reconciliation possible. Christ's sacrifice is the once for all offering that perfectly accomplished what Old Testament sacrifices could only foreshadow. It demonstrates God's holiness in punishing sin, His love in providing a substitute, and His grace in freely offering salvation to all believe, or to all who believe. So, dito po, no, ang sinasabi po ito is about sacrifice. So, whenever we hear the word sacrifice, it always comes up with our mind na ang ating Jesus Christ, yung nagbayad ng ating kasalanan sa cross ng Kalbaryo upang tayo ay muling magkaroon ng pangalawang pagkakataon at patunayan natin sa Ama na tayo ay deserving sa pagkamatay ni Kristo sa krus. So, parang it is just a reminder for us to dapat palagi tayong may conviction sa ating heart dahil kaya nga sabi ito, His love in providing a substitute, and His grace is freely offering salvation to all who believe. So, the word salvation, it will offer to you sa mga taong naniniwala lang sa ating Diyos. At hindi yun nag-work out sa palagi pong or gumagawa ng kasamaan dahil ang Panginoong Diyos ay palaging nagbibigay ng blessing sa mga taong meron talagang relasyon sa Kanya. Kaya dapat palagi tayong magkaroon po ng communication, and of course, alam natin kung ano pa talaga dapat yung ating paniniwalaan at palagi nating ipuput in mind ng ating Panginoong Diyos ay nag-iisa lang sa ating puso. At siya lang yung bukod tan is worship, ipipraise natin at pagkasalamat natin in all times. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. Bye for now.